I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix slow Plex poster loading by shrinking your metadata cache. If you notice that your movie and TV show artwork takes a long time to load, or if your posters are completely blank when you scroll through your library, your Plex metadata cache is likely bloated or corrupted. Over time, Plex stores thousands of old images and background files that slow down the database. Cleaning up this cache and forcing Plex to optimize your database will instantly speed up poster loading on your smart TVs and mobile devices. Here are the steps to shrink and fix your Plex metadata cache. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer and log into your Plex server dashboard. Step 2. Click the settings icon, which looks like a wrench in the top right corner of your Plex dashboard screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the Manage header in the left-hand menu and then click Troubleshooting. Step 4. Locate the Clean Bundles button in this menu and then click it. When the process is done, you'll see a message letting you know that your Plex bundles have been cleaned. Cleaning bundles on Plex deletes old cached data from media files or plugins that you have previously removed from your library. This helps free up storage space and keeps your database running smoothly by getting rid of digital leftovers. Next, locate the Optimize Database button on this page and then click it. When the process is done, you'll see a message that your Plex database has been optimized. This shrinks the size of your main database file and cleans up the index, allowing your Plex server to find and display your movie posters much faster. Step 5. Navigate back to your Plex home screen, hold your cursor over the specific media library you want to clean, and then click the three dots next to your library name. Hover over Manage Library and then click Empty Trash. Click Empty Trash again in the window that pops up. The trash for that media library will be deleted. If you are still experiencing slow poster loading after doing all of this, your server might be struggling to process image files because your main storage drive is nearly full. You can fix this by clearing out old photo caches manually. To do this, completely shut down your Plex Media server. Navigate to your main Plex Media server directory on your computer, locate the folder named Cache, and open it. Inside, find the folder named Photo Transcoder and delete all of its contents. This folder only holds temporary images that Plex has resized for different screens, and deleting it forces Plex to rebuild a fresh, unbloated image cache the next time you open your streaming app. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.